Minutes 8 exercises yield results in less than a month. Do you desperately want to change your body and get that perfect shape that everyone dreams of? Well, even though it seems like something that you can't achieve, exercising for 4 minutes a day can be of great help. Performing plank regularly will help you to get a dynamite body and increase your vitality and stamina. Well, the first thing you should know is that the results will not come after one day. You need to be dedicated and motivated and continue performing this exercise for 1 month. Yes, it takes 1 month for the results to occur. In the beginning, you will need for 20 seconds, then gradually increase. Check out the instructions below, and trust me, after 1 month, you will be amazed by the results. Here are the instructions. Day 1 20 seconds. Day 2 20 seconds. Day 3 30 seconds. Day 4 30 seconds. Day 5 40 seconds. Day 6 relax. Day 7 45 seconds. Day 8 45 seconds. Day 9 60 seconds. Day 10 60 seconds. Day 11 60 seconds. Day 12 90 seconds. Day 13 relax. Day 14 90 seconds. Day 15 90 seconds. Day 16 120 seconds. Day 17 120 seconds. Day 18 150 seconds. Day 19 relax. Day 20 150 seconds. Day 21 150 seconds. Day 22 180 seconds. Day 23 180 seconds. Day 24 210 seconds. Day 25 relax. Day 26 210 seconds. Day 27 240 seconds. Day 28 as much as you can. How to perform plank correctly. It is very important to choose a right position. You should put your hands in the correct position. Your elbows should be beneath the shoulders. Keep your spine straight. Avoid unnecessary weight on the back and neck. Make sure to keep your legs marginally separated. Also, it is very important to feel your thighs. Your body is casual while your breathing is moderate.